guys, I thought I'd just do a get ready with me. I'm actually in Shanghai right now and I'm here for the launch of the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, which I saw last night. It is really cool. So anyway, I'm kind of rushing because I need to go and get my breakfast before checking out today. And before we head back to Singapore, I'm gonna be doing some shopping as well. So I guess today is just like a very quick get ready with me. 15 minutes is all I have, so let's get started. Please pardon the very messy room. I just showered and woke up. I'm using the Porefessional Pearl Primer from Benefit. This is like the mini size, and I really love that Benefit has like mini size items because, you know, it really helps us, especially when we are frequent travelers, you know, to have all of our staple products packed nicely for us instead of having to just find means and ways to like depot all the favorite products into Dyson container or something. And usually when that happens, there's contamination and it's just not very hygienic. Today I'm going for like a really natural look because I'm gonna be heading to the airport. My dear Dahlia skin cushion. So this is the Skin Paradise Blooming Cushion, which I really love. Like you guys really need to try this cushion. I get it from this local distributor called Body Food Co. And they distribute a lot of Dear Dahlia products. I would use the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation today, but they actually sent it to me in Singapore, so I don't have it with me now. But I tried it yesterday and it's so good, guys. Like, it's really my favorite kind of foundation, which is more of the serum type of foundation because I have very dry skin and the coverage is medium. I would say light to medium, but it's very beautiful because it dries to like a matte finish and you just need like to work in very thin layers and you'll get a very nice like texture. There are 12 different shades, so even if you're super fair or super dark, you will have a shade for yourself. Gosh. So we went shopping yesterday and all of my essentials in my little bag over here. This one's from Pomelo. I'm using the 3CE Waterful Concealer. You guys know this is my favorite concealer. Yeah, so yesterday we kind of previewed the launch and it was very fun. Like they transformed the entire event space for us with like a ball pit, a lot of photo opportunities, like a trampoline inside as well. I love such events because like we get to meet all of like the other bloggers and influencers from the other regions, and a lot of them are people that I actually follow and have been very inspired by for many years, especially on YouTube and on Instagram. So people like Sebyok, she's like my one of my favorite Korean YouTubers. Jen, Mijay Muse was also there, so I was very happy to like say hi to all of them. Okay, you guys, I'm literally, this is how fast I do my makeup every day in the morning. In fact, even faster because I don't actually have to talk. And I know I feel like I'm doing like the 5 minutes makeup challenge, but I'm not. It's time for contour. As usual, I'm using my Hoola by Benefit. This is my favorite all-time bronzer because it is very easy to blend, it's very easy to use. The shade is so universal, so you can use it as a contour or a blusher. I mean, not blusher, bronzer. Last night, we went out to Hai Di Lao. It was super dramatic, guys. You guys know how like Google Maps always kind of act up when we're in China. I feel that because it's not very widely used here, so Google Maps yeah, just kind of gets wonky. So I googled Hai Di Lao in Shanghai and I was at Nanjing Donglu, which is like a very famous shopping street in Shanghai. And I was googling like Hai Di Lao Nanjing Donglu lah, just to try my luck and see if there's actually a Hai Di Lao in the area. And it turns out that there was one, and I was like super happy. I was like, oh my gosh, guys, there's one Hai Di Lao which is just like 500 meters away. And mind you, we were in heels like for about 10 hours at that time already, so everyone was very tired. We were holding our goodie bags and we were also holding our shopping from Forever 21. And Wendy bought a lot of things. So Anyway, we were like, okay, you know what, let's just walk there because like it's very hard to get a taxi. This is just 7 minutes. Like we just have to endure this shit for 7 minutes and we will reach there and we can take off our shoes already. So we started walking towards that direction, which was supposedly in a mall. Anyway, this is precisely my brow. So we started walking and walking and walking, and it just led us to like a freaking like empty space. So after walking for super long and like really dragging our feet there. Oh my god, I can't talk and I need to concentrate. After dragging our feet there for really long and really like persevering, hoping that we can, you know, have a taste of sweet Hai Di Lao at the end of that walk, there was like nothing over there. And obviously I got scolded by Wendy because like I was the navigator. So we asked someone on the streets, you know, like, where is this shopping center? And then she was like, oh, it's there, like literally where we came from. So I was like, are you freaking kidding me? We were not gonna go back there because it's just super far away. Everywhere in Shanghai is like super like dead empty, but only at night near the bund is like so bustling that my TT app, the taxi app, kind of like a Grab equivalent, had like 50 people in line and I was queuing to get a cab. So we were like, oh my gosh, you know, just this close to giving up. I got my Hai Di Lao eventually and it was the best thing ever. Like, I love Hai Di Lao so much. Like, I love, to me, it's the best hotpot in Singapore because of the mala. I love mala. I understand that there's like beauty in a pot and they have like the collagen soup that is very nice. I really agree that it's super nice, but I'm a mala girl. Nothing beats my love for mala. Like when I eat my meat especially, like I need that mala. And I can drink the soup and I drink the oil like because it's so shiok. Anyway, I forgot to tell you guys I'm using a pink shadow from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's this color. I love wearing, I love bringing this palette with me because I have this pink shade that just works really well with all of my dusty pink outfits. So I'm just applying it all across my eyelids. I have this very cute like 3CE duo shadow in the shade Lucky 7. And it's just this gorgeous like Polly Pocket palette. So I'm just taking that brown shade and going across my crease. Oh, anyway, a funny story. Like when we reached Hai Di Lao, because we were such like, you know, frequent customers of Hai Di Lao in Singapore, I mean, obviously we would request for all the things that we usually eat in Singapore, like over there. So we were like, oh, do you have 炸鱼皮, which is like the crispy skin? And he was like, what is that? Like, we don't have it here. And then, so I ordered like that dancing noodles, like, you know, where the guy will come in, like he will dance and he will just make the noodle on the spot for you. I love that noodles, by the way. I was like, oh, okay, 你可以叫那个跳舞的面，可以上了那个跳舞的面. Then he just burst out laughing. He was like, 跳舞的面. Because if I'm not wrong, in Singapore, I think we call it dancing noodles. So I literally just translated it. I mean, my Mandarin is not that bad, okay? Just don't get me wrong. But I mean, that's what I've been calling, I've been saying, you know, like for the past like 3-4 years of eating Hai Di Lao. We just say like that dancing noodle lah. Then he just like burst out laughing. And I swear, like, I think he probably thought that Singaporeans were weird. Because we had all sorts of weird requests. Oh my god, I realize I'm not even explaining myself anymore. I'm putting the dark brown shade like on the outer corners to just deepen my eyes a little bit. Does any one of you like open your mouth naturally when you look down? Like, I look like shit. Oh my gosh. Please do not print screen that. Oh guys, I wanted to go for like a really natural look and now I kind of have like a semi-smoky eye. This always happens. Anyway, I love this blush and I already have it on. This is a Rimmel 220. 5 more minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna pop on a very simple eyeliner and just like run. So I'm using the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. If you guys are interested in a beginner's guide on how to create how to draw it, like eyeliner easily. I have like a eyeliner tutorial which is called Eyeliner 101 on my channel. I'll link it in the description box below. I literally don't breathe when I do eyeliner. Okay, eyeliner done. Color your lashes and apply mascara. I'm using the XL eyelash color, which I love. And the GRWM mascara, also in the mini version, which you can get. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys need to see the Hello Happy foundation because they come in a baby size, and that is the cutest thing ever. Like, the baby size one is 17 bucks and the big one is 49. So I quite like that this foundation is pretty affordable, and the baby size one is 6 milliliters, and you actually do get, I think, like at least 1.5 weeks use out of it. So if you are just trying out the foundation, or if you're just like, you know, trying to get your favorite foundation for traveling, I think the baby size is damn good. So this is GRWM, which I love. Look at the drama. Oh my god, I got it on my eyelids. Damn it! No! No. You know what? I'm not gonna care. So I have been loving the Pera Airy Ink Velvet in the shade 10. This is like my go-to pink color whenever I wear like a dusty rose shade, because it's the perfect dusty rose lipstick color. I'm gonna take my Clinique gel liner and just go underneath to just deepen it a little bit more and smoke out my eyeliner a little bit. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, the difference is very subtle, but it makes a difference. I just didn't want my eyeliner to be so crisp. Gonna go in and draw my eye bags. Green eye bags. Oh, anyway, I found out what eye bags are called in Mandarin. It's called 卧蚕. As usual, taking my Holika pencil and lining the inner corners of my eyes. And we are done. Let me just set it with my all-nighter spray so that it can last all day. My goodness, guys, I'm sitting in a really awkward position and my legs, like, it's kind of cramped and numb now. Ouch. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh yeah, I need to show you guys the completed makeup look. So this is the filming situation. I'm balancing it on this thing. And it's really messy here, but this is my outfit. And my hair, which I just kind of blow dried with my Dyson hairdryer.